Hello everybody, today I will show you how to give LinkedIn page access to others, like how to give access to your LinkedIn page for super admin or content admin or analyst. So to give your LinkedIn page access, first go to your page. Like here is your page. So in the left side of your profile, you will see how many pages you have access, or just click here. So if you click here, you will see how many pages you have the access already. Okay, so go to the page. Okay, this is the page. So how to give the access of the page? Just in the left side, scroll down. Click on the setting. Click on manage admins. Okay, add admins. Just click add admins. From here, you can select the admin's name. Just select the admin name and give him or her the role and click the save option. He or she will get a notification, and once they accept that, they will get the access of your page. Okay, that's it's all about. Stay with me for more videos like this and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.